I'm gonna say good morning just because I am filming this at 9 a.m. I have my cup of coffee and my 2 boxes, and I just finished my face of makeup before I have to go out and run errands, and I figured that we would go ahead and do this unboxing together. I have both my Boxycharms here. I have a base and a premium box. I hope you guys are excited to see this. I know I am, so let's get into it. In my last video, I actually talked about pricing for the boxes, and I forgot exactly the price range, so I ended up editing it out and not talking about it, but I did go back and I looked because I was trying to figure out what the pricing was, and I believe this box, which is your base box, is $26, and then the premium box has gone up to $40. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this one first. So this month's theme is Boxy Spring Revival, and then on the back side, all the information of what's inside. First thing I see, because it's so bright and it's just very colorful, I kind of knew, it's by Beauty Bakery, and this is the Sour Ya Doin' eyeshadow palette, and I don't think I actually own anything from Beauty Bakery that's an eyeshadow palette. I have base products from them, but no eyeshadows. Ooh, look at this, very fun. Bright colors. Look at those colors. The yellow looks like it would be a really fun pop-up color to do. And that one there is Pink Lemonade. If you guys have tried the Beauty Bakery palettes, let me know down below what your thoughts are on them. I have used their face products before and their lip products, and I do like them, but just not the face. I haven't tried yet. I actually just put this in my bathroom because I do have a full-size product of this. This is the Christoph Robinson. Nope, I'm not even saying that right. Christoph Robin. I hope I'm saying it right now. Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist. This is actually one that is formulated for fine and flat hair. My hair is not fine, but it definitely does get flat. It's supposed to uplift your roots and give you fuller lengths. You can apply on dry or damp hair. We'll see. I do have a Persona product here. This is the Persona eyeliner, just in the shade Black. Smash. What else is this? It says Item. This is by the brand Item. This is the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. It says Pull Me. Let's just go ahead and pull it. I'm too tempted. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, this is a small little lengthening brush. This reminds me so much of the Clinique Lash Mascara. This looks exactly like it, except that the Clinique one is like this big. And it's really little, but it works so good because I don't know about you, but every time I'm doing my bottom lashes with like a really big mascara wand, right in the outer corner, I always mess up, I always get mascara, and I always have to come back and fix it. So I do like when the bristles are really small as well as the wand. That will be used immediately. This is the Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask by Pure Heals. Those are the 5 products I got in the box. Okay, it was a decent box. Let me go over the Beauty Bakery palette. Retails for $38. The Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask retails for $55. The Volumizing Mist retails for $39. The Item Beauty by Addison Rae. The mascara retails for $15. I feel like that's really good, considering that the Clinique one is $10. This is a good one. And then the Persona Cosmetics liner is $14. So let's move into the premium one. I lifted up the box and I immediately was like, oh no, is there nothing inside the box? I may have gotten a dud, but then I felt it move. So we're good. All right, so here we have the premium box. And we're gonna remove all this fluff. I see a little white box, which leads me to believe it's something good. This is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. Finally, I want to talk about it because I literally have it right here. I used it today. This is the Cupid eyeshadow palette that we got last month from Natasha Denona. And I do believe this is like a Boxycharm exclusive, but I freaking love this palette. I'm actually using it today. This is good. I'm hoping this is going to be awesome as well. I bet it will. I actually use that palette in a tutorial. This is a cream blush and highlighter. Ooh, I'm not the biggest fan of cream blushes. I'll still try it. I'll give it a shot, but look at that. Let's see if you can see that. Ooh, oh, the cream blush is actually really light. Have it on the back of my hand. The cream blush is right there. I don't know if you can see that. And then there's the highlighter. Today I used cream bronzer a lot more than I normally do. I wanted to see if it looked a little bit better, and I used my cream bronzer like on my forehead and actually in my cheek area, and I used the bottom of my sponge. Normally I use a brush all the time with it, and I hate the way it looks with the brush. I feel like it just picks up my foundation and then it gets really splotchy. but using the sponge, waiting in between like sessions and using a sponge, it came out so nice. Like my skin looked so nice and glowy. It was just, oh, it was so pretty. I finally think I figured out a small technique on how to use cream bronzer that works for me at least. And this is My Beauty Brand and by me, and it's just a black liquid liner. Ooh, that's dark. Next up I have is by Mitchell and Peach. This is the Eyelash Growers. Oh, English Growers, English Leaf Body Oil. Right now I use the booty oil that we got. Right now I do use body oil and serums. The one I'm using right now is by Truly, which I actually talk about in one of my hauls that'll be coming up here shortly. And then I use the booty oil because that one's really fun to use and it's good. Ooh, I don't like that it's open like that. It doesn't have like a dropper, but we'll put it maybe on the back of the hand and see how that feels. Oh, it smells nice, like lemongrass. Is that what's in it? I like the smell of lemon, so that smells good. I really wish it had a dropper though. I know that that's gonna get messy real quick by me. This is the Step 1 Murad Skin Smoothing Polish. Yes. Rinse and pat, use 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times. Awesome, definitely gonna use that. Hydrating lip balm, all about lip balms. This one has calendula, vitamin E, and peppermint. Ooh, we gotta smell the peppermint in here. Oh, that's thick. She's thick. It's just a clear balm. Oh, that smells good. That smells so good. Right now I'm using the one by Kinship and really like it. It's very nice and soft on the lips. Then I just recently came across Blistex. Not Blistex, I know. I usually use the green lipsticks tube, but they make one in a pot, like a medicated one in a pot, and that stuff is like holy grail for super chapped lips. Like I cannot believe that I waited this long to even try it. And then I have Burt's Bees, of course, the cucumber lime one, so good. So I have like a nice little stash of lip balms right now because my lips are so the weather's killing it. All right, last up we have by, I'm not even gonna try to say this name, but it's a retinol alternative smoothing serum. Like, oh, this is pretty packaging. Looks like this. Supposed to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's gentle enough for most sensitive skin types. Tremella, mushroom, and you're supposed to put 2 to 3 drops gently onto your face. Press. Do not rinse. Is it me or did I feel like there was a lot of skincare there? You guys let me know down below what you guys are supposed to be getting in your box and what you guys are most excited about. If you guys are wanting to subscribe to Boxycharm or just simply take a look and see what it's all about, I will have my link down below that will direct you guys over to the site. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Make sure to check out my latest tutorial that I just posted, as well as my newest other video that I have. And keep an eye out because a bunch of hauls are coming. I have my Sephora haul, I have my Ulta haul, which I just did, and a birthday haul. So tons of stuff coming up. So keep an eye out on that. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you later. Bye.